Welcome to Natural Power Nutrients, the place where we discover the true power of nature for your health. But before you use white vinegar in your kitchen, there is something important you should know. Did you know that much of the white vinegar used today does not come from whole natural foods? In many cases, it is produced from highly refined industrial alcohol, an ingredient that can be useful for cleaning, but not necessarily the best ally for digestive wellness. Now look at this. Apple cider vinegar is made through the natural fermentation of real apples. And when it is organic and unfiltered, it contains what is known as the mother, a natural source of enzymes, beneficial compounds, and fermentation cultures. For generations, apple cider vinegar has been used to support digestion, help maintain metabolic balance, assist healthy blood sugar levels, and complement natural wellness routines. It is not a miracle cure, but it can be a powerful tool from nature. White vinegar may be excellent for cleaning your home, but when it comes to nutrition and natural wellness, nature offers something far richer: apple cider vinegar. If you enjoy discovering natural secrets for better health, follow and subscribe to Natural Power Nutrients. This information is educational and not a substitute for professional medical advice. Natural Power Nutrients, because when you choose what is natural, your body knows the difference.